y'all can tell me this ain't fire right here. Look at those curls, baby. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me hair. They sent your girl over this trendy mixed brown short cut curly minimalistic HD lace glueless side part wig, baby, and she is a keeper for sure. So before we get into the nitty-gritty and the details of this unit, we're gonna do a super quick install, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up? Y'all already know what's about to come at ya. It's another Love Me hair unit. Y'all already know they do not play. Y'all see them curls, y'all see their color. Okay, yes, nothing but quality over here. Nothing but quality. So let's get right into this unit. Be careful what you wear. All right, look at that. That is cute. Y'all see this cuteness right here. That cap does fit really good on my head. It actually feels very comfortable. It doesn't fit too tight or too loose, but y'all know you have the adjustable strap, so you do have the option to tighten it up a little bit, so it is big head friendly. The tabs fit ear to ear on my head, and we're gonna go ahead and clip it down so it's not sliding anywhere. Look at that. So this is a C-part unit, and it is part on the left side. So let's get into this lace. So y'all see this lace, honey. Y'all know Love Me don't come to play when it comes to they lace. They lace is top-notch quality. Like, it's already melting into my skin, and I ain't even did anything. Okay, with this unit, we're going to be wearing it glueless, because by being a busy mom or just a woman in general, honey, our time is valuable. So we need to make sure that we are using our time wisely, and with a great quality Love Me hair unit, she gonna get you right every single time. All right, let y'all see that lace one more time, just in case you still questioning it. It's fabulous. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wet it so we can get the hair out of the way, so we can cut the lace. And I'm just gonna wet the front for the meantime, just so we can get the hair out the way. I'm going to clip it back. Got the hair clipped back. Now we're about to get into this lace. I'm going to cut it in the middle, and then use my eyebrow razor to cut each section. You have to be very careful with this lace, because the lace is so good you will end up cutting the hair, okay, because the lace is so transparent. All right, so take your time and cut the lace. Baby, you know, and try not to cut the hair. Right back, say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see. Bam, easy peasy. All right, look at that. Y'all don't see no lace. Y'all don't see no halo effect going on. Like, okay, maybe a little right here, maybe a little. We gonna fix that, but y'all don't see no lace. Okay, anyway, they did a little pre-pluckage as well. Now with this unit, the front of the unit, you do not get a lot of parting space in the front. You don't get a lot of lace in the front, so this is as much plucking you're gonna be able to do on this particular unit. So as you can see, they did the pre-plucking for you. So this is a great beginner friendly type of unit. So let's get into this hair. So first I'm going to wet it all over, and y'all know I got this water bottle from Amazon. I'm going to try to link it below, but yeah, we're going to spray it all over. Fun to flirt, but all right, now I'm going to get my Denman brush, and we're just going to brush through the hair. You ain't really ready for real. All right, right, so we got her wet down. Next we're gonna go to, y'all already know, if you are a long time viewer or subscriber, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. You know you like it here. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Anyway, this is what I'm using. I actually love this stuff. It does really good. This is the Cantu Natural Hair Dry Night Moisture Seal Gel Oil. Again, if I can find it, I will link it down below. And we're just going to put it all over the hair. With this oil, the curls be popping for days before you have to refresh the curls. So I absolutely love this. Now that we have put our gel oil on it, next we're going to put our mousse. Again, if you're a long time viewer, you already know what I'm using. The African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Smooth and Soft Curl Mousse. So, and we are going to put it all over the hair.
You ain't really ready, won't be fake.
Now we're going to get my Denman brush again, and we're just going to brush everything in. Right now I am just brushing it back because I don't want it in my face right now while it's wet, because we're not trying to mess up the makeup, okay? After we diffuse the curls, I'm going to push it towards the front. But this is how it looks wet, so if you want that wet look, you can do that. And like I see, you can push it towards the front if you choose to. But this is her. Like, do y'all see how them curls are popping? Okay, they are popping. Absolutely popping. Do y'all see that? Okay, do you see the curlish? Okay, do y'all see this? Y'all see that bounce? Okay, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to define the curls, because y'all know I like big hair. Not too big, but just enough. And we're just going to diffuse the curls, get it dry so you can see how it looks dry as well. And then I'll be back.
Careful what you wish for, make you eat your...
Alright, y'all, so here she is. Isn't she cute? Okay, look at that. Ooh, y'all can tell me this ain't fire right here. Look at those curls, baby. This is a very trendy style. This is a great bob to have. Like, y'all see that? Like... I just love the contrast of colors on this. This is like so amazing. Like, look at this. Y'all can't tell me nothing right now, okay? Y'all don't even know how to come at me, all right? This is one great unit. It is so cute. It is lightweight. It's very comfortable on my head. And it is great to wear for any occasion. If you are getting ready for your summer vacation, pick this up before you go now, okay? Pick this up before you go. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, and I'll let you know how you can find that coupon code. This is so cute. The color is amazing. The curls is... y'all see that? It's popping. It is still a little wet. It's not 100% dry. Y'all will love this wig. If you want something that's great for the summertime, y'all know it's hot, so we don't need no long hair going all the way down our back, okay? We need to get it off our neck because it's too hot for that, all right? This is a cute option to have in your wig for rotation for this summer, your summer vacation, just anytime. She's a great throw on and go type of unit for the everyday woman. She is a keeper for sure, and she is beginner friendly. It did not take me no time to put this unit on, take it out the box, cut the lace, define the curls, and you are good to go. Great option to have in your wig rotation. So let me show you the back.
You'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh baby, you know you wrong. Yeah, I know you gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for it.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into the details of this unit. This is a trendy mixed brown, shortcut curly, minimalistic HD lace, glueless side part wig, and 100% human hair, baby. This is the unit to have for this summer. Why you ask, is this the unit to have for this summer? Because it is super transparent lace. It's more versatile and it's a glueless install. You don't have to have no skill to put this unit on. It's lightweight and it is very comfortable on your head, and it has a comfortable length as well. It has a flawless melt if you choose to glue this down, and it's a great protective style. Okay, she is everything you need in a great wig. And y'all know with Love Me, you gonna get top-notch quality. Okay, it is traceless lace. It is an effortless wig to put on. Like I said, you do not need any skills to put this unit on. It's glueless, so it's a great protective style to wear as well. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair. I am wearing this unit in 10 inches. The density on this unit is 150%, and this unit should last 1 year or more. The hair color on this unit is number 2 and number 28. The hairline is pre-plucked. You don't have to worry about doing any plucking at all. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little more highlights in it, you can do so. This unit also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one at the back. It comes with an attached band and adjustable straps to help you give you that glueless effect. And did you ask, was it glueless? Yes, baby, it's glueless. Glueless, baby. Okay. 100% glueless. You can wear this baby glueless. You do not have to glue it down unless you choose to. You do have the option to do that if you want a more secure fit, but you don't have to do that. With the combs and the band, this unit ain't going nowhere. The lace on this unit is top Swiss lace. The lace area on this unit is 6.5 by 4, so it is minimal lace, less that you have to deal with. And the parting on this unit is a left C part. So what are you waiting on, baby? Go ahead and scoop her up. This unit does have very little shedding. Okay. I am not getting a whole lot of shedding. You will get a little bit of shedding. I mean, it is a curly unit, so expect that with curly units, but with this unit, the shedding is very, very minimum. It's no tangles. You can run your fingers through this hair very effortlessly. It's lightweight. Like I said, it doesn't feel like it's a lot of hair on your head, so I highly recommend this unit, especially for beginners who do not have any skills. How do you put a glueless wig on? Take it out the box, cut the lace, put her on, diffuse those curls, and go. Why not switch it up with a Love Me hair unit? It is ready to go, great quality, and good pricing. You can't go wrong with a Love Me hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. That's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.